this is Michelle from Makeup or Breakup blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing Boxycharm for April 2019. And the first thing that I see in here is the lovely card, which says Peace, Love, and Boxy. And I will post videos either here or at the end of the video so you can see my prior reviews on other Boxycharm boxes. First thing in this lovely box that I see is something from Boxychella, which I believe was in a prior box before. This is in Bali Bronze, and this is an eye pencil. So let's see how it looks. Love that point right there. Let's see how it goes on like so. Very nice. Very nice. Definitely be using this. The other one that I got, I've been using on and off, so that's good. So how much does this little baby cost? The Boxychella eye pencil is $14. This super smooth coconut oil infused eye pencil glides on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye. Very important. The Boxychella eye pencil is rigid enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet can easily be smudged during application for a perfectly smoky effect. The next product in here is from a company called Appeal, and this is a beautiful, like almost fluorescent type of mermaid-like shimmer color, and this is a holographic lip gloss. Ooh, what does this say? Deliver intense holographic shine to your lips with this Appeal Cosmetics exclusive launch. The holographic lip gloss works well alone or on top of your favorite lippy, giving it a multi-dimensional argan oil infused shine, and this baby goes for $21. Let's see how this looks applied on. Wow, this is really creamy. Feels kind of creamy. Typical doe foot applicator here, and I'm just going to step back a little so we can see the color. It goes on clear, so it's definitely a topper. So I definitely have to try this with one of my deeper lip shades. So this little baby I have seen being the buzz for this month's box, and this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Now this little baby apparently goes for $27. This all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle, luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. I love glow, especially so. Dying to try that. And this is in the color Summer Haze, if you could read that. Okay, so this is what the box, the little container looks like. So excited. I don't think I have anything from Artist Couture. Let's see. Oh, good. It has a sifter in it, so I'm not going to lose stuff in there. That's nice. And because no box would be complete without it, brushes from one of my favorite brush brands. This is Luxie. Oh, this is the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. The Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Use the Luxie 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the Luxie 245 small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base eyeshadow and glitter. Grab the Luxie 209 large shadow brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. Luxie. Did I mention that that set is $28 for the Luxie brush set? And these are what the brushes look like inside the package. Very fluffy. Feels so nice. This is a little firm. these two are soft. Brushes. This little one is the small shader, and this is in number 245. This next one is the large shader at number 209. And this little one is the small contouring. So this is for here. And this is number 512. I'm loving the gradual shade there. So festival-like. This is the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. What? Let's see. Okay, it says unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. Can you see that? What I love about this, when I opened up the Pure Cosmetics Festival box, this is actually what it looks like, the actual palette. And I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous colors right there. Beautiful. It also came with this. This is the Pure Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. Came a little packet inside with it. So you could also try out their primer, and it'll probably make these already intense, vibrant colors even more intense and more stay put. It's a nice touch. Thank you, Pure. There seems to be a scent to them, but I can't quite place it. Just taking off the plastic here. Yeah. It has a bit of a scent. I can't decide if it's chemical or if they were trying to season it with a little vanilla. Interesting. Look it up. Look at these beautiful. So gorgeous. Let me just try this. This is in the 24 karat magic. It feels a little scratchy, but also kind of almost like a liquid. And this is fireworks underneath it. Look at that. Gorgeous. So I'm going to see how it applies to here. I'll do that real quick. Okay. So it has this weird, almost like liquidy texture to it. And you're gonna need to use that glitter something to stay put with the glitter, because this is like virtually, that's glitter. This is not shimmer, this is all out glam, glitter, glory right there. I'm so sorry I'm not able to capture this in this proper light, but look at that. Wow. So pretty. So pretty. But yeah, you're going to need something to set this so it doesn't fleck into your eye. Just one final update for the BoxyCharm, the Pure Festival palette. When you do take it off, you will be left with some glitter. So be prepared for that when you use the Pure Festival palette. They're gorgeous glitters, but taking them off might present a bit of a problem. But it looks cute. The after effects. And that overall is my BoxyCharm unboxing for April 2019. I would give this a definite A. I love the fact that it gave like makeup brush tools. I love makeup tools. I love that they sent me, brands that I haven't heard of before. Like, I'm not really heard of before, but that I've never had, which is Artist Couture. I've heard of them, never had them before. Appeal is a brand that I haven't heard of until I got BoxyCharm, as well as this brand, which is Bodyography. So I'm really thrilled. I can't wait to try on some looks. And this is awesome. The only thing that they could have added was something for the skin, because it is festival season, and sunscreen and something for the hair to keep it from going frizzy would have been awesome too. But I'm sure as heck not complaining about this box. What did you think of your BoxyCharm box? Are you a BoxyCharmer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will know when the next video of mine will be up. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Dawn Michelle from Makeup or Breakup blog, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.